And clap in 3, 2, 1, clap.
What's up guys, Everywhere here, and today we are unboxing the ASUS Republic of Gamers G512 STRIX. Yeah. 2 cameras. Boom. Boom. There you go. I found this laptop at Walmart for about $1,400. It has pretty good specs on it. It's my on-the-go computer. Yeah. If you guys like to see more of these unboxings, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, goddamn you, and turn on notifications. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Tiny knife. To mention about this computer, the specs on this thing is a 10th gen i7, a RTX 2070, a 512 gigabyte SSD, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. Also has a 144 hertz monitor. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this around. If you would open. Okay. Why isn't this? Okay. And for the unveiling, oh he ho. And oh, it looks nice. Just a little bit of dust on it.
Remember to hold it up some because the LCD can't quite see all the way down there.
Oh, did you see that?
What?
It just legit lifts up the computer. Oh. I'm having troubles. So, yeah. This is the computer. I know you can't really see it right now, but it's in the foiling. And there's that. So we take this out. So what else comes in this box is power cable with the power brick. The power cable. That's what it looks like.
It's a beefy power brick.
It's a big boy one. How much is this?
It's a big honker.
That's a fucking 240 volt. That is honky. And you get your stickers, warranty bullshit. Boom. Nobody needs it. And the other side, nothing. Which I don't know why they would put that there. But okay. It'll fucking work if I do that. Oh. This computer's heavy. Like, hold this bitch.
Yeah, thick boy.
Yeah. And now we get to that fancy part of peeling this sucker. So. And look at this in all of its might and glory. And now, if we lift it up, ooh, comes with a little screen cover, which is what I like. It's all fancy and shit. And now, as you can see from the stickers on there, that has the 10th gen i7 and a NVIDIA sticker. So, It's Wi-Fi 6 certified. I don't know what Wi-Fi 6 is. I'm guessing that's regular internet. Editor, let me know. And now we power it up.
One eternity later.
Okay, it might need to charge a little bit.
We'll be back after we charge it.
We'll be back after we charge.
1 hour later.
Yeah. That's a neat little symbol. And a neat little sound. Also, this screen is really thin. It's also a 144 hertz screen. It's really, really tiny compared to the chassis of this beast of a computer. So, alright. Now, since we're at the setup screen, we'll be back with you as soon as we set this computer up. Baboosh! And everything. This is what it looks like. And I have to admit, it looks pretty neat, and the refresh rate on this screen is really fast. I like it. The background on there I could probably change into my own personal one, but hey, everyone has their own preferences. So I gotta get some shit installed on here, and I'm probably gonna do a little gameplay montage, show you what runs on this, what frames, and all the other good stuff. And yeah, we'll cut to the review portion right now. Alrighty, so we are back from Grunt's Works house, and the PC is looking glorious as ever. I've installed some games, which I've only installed like, oh wait, that is the optimization thing that ASUS has brought. So I've gotten like RimWorld, Factorio, Borderlands 2, 7 Days, State of Decay 2, Far Cry New Dawn, and I finally got Genshin Impact installed. I don't know if I'm going to be playing on here, but I just got it just in case. And yeah, this thing works pretty good. Now, there's one thing to note. If you're going to be playing games, it's automatically going to be set to the Intel HD graphics. And the way to fix that is if you go all the way down to... Wait, why is this focused in? This should not be like that. You go all the way down here, which you go to NVIDIA control panel, and you go to, at first you go, I believe, to adjust image preview, and you want to make sure the performance is set to quality. And now the secondary thing is that you need to go to manage 3D settings. Well, actually, no, this... yeah, this is actually one of the important things. You need to click the high performance NVIDIA processor. And once you get done with that, you need to go to configure surround physics. And you need to put your processor in here and then click apply. Now the laptop will still display the Intel UHD graphics because this was meant to be for a Intel. Well, it's more so an Intel like display, from what I can get from this. But the graphics card will still work. I confirmed this last night. I stayed up until like 2:30 working with this because I didn't know why this thing was running so bad. Like I was about to say I'm about to take this back. But then I realized that, oh yeah, I just need to go and switch the graphics card. Because I even Googled it on the forums of the ASUS's website forums, and everybody was having the same problem, and they did not know how to fix it until I like YouTubed it, and I found the entire solution. Which, actually, yeah, I'll just link it in the description. You guys are having the same problem. How do games run on this? It runs too good. Yeah. This, like, I get Borderlands 2 on max FPS, like it's 7 days on max FPS. It runs really good on high settings. You could actually play this on high settings. I have not tried State of Decay 2 yet. I imagine that'll be wonderful. Far Cry New Dawn, I have yet to play. I know that's really good. I know this thing can handle Factorio, and I know this thing can handle RimWorld, because RimWorld and Factorio are basic games. Genshin Impact, I bet your bottom that this thing will do good. Alrighty, I had to close my blinds because of the fact that the light was too blaring for my phone camera that it was just blurring out the screen. So anyway, the games that I've tested so far run perfect. I know 7 days was a heavy hitter because it demands a lot. Oh. My power just went out. Alrighty, so if you guys really wanted to change your RGB to this, if you end up buying one of these, you need to go to the Armory crate and click on device. And once you get the device, you need to go to lighting. And right here, it'll change all of the RGB stuff, including to this. You could change the brightness if you really wanted to. So right now I got mine set to a 3. So if I set it all the way to 100%, it's kind of bright. Yeah. But you can have it like color cycle, do that. Kind of like a standard keyboard. If you want to strobe, it'll be like that. Static. Yeah, that does nothing. I did want to play a video. What the heck? But then Rainbow looks like this. Yeah. This is really nice. And with this software, you can change how you want your power saving to do. And if you want to stop all these processes, just click one button. And the memory can be freed up right here too. It's kind of like your own personal device carrier. Well, this is a device carrier, but this will just have your game visuals, profile, this feature channel is just showing all the the exclusives and all that crap. And yeah, would I declare this as worth it? Well, for the bank and buck, if you really think about it, I would consider this to be worth an investment, especially for editing. If you're gonna be a person that's gonna be editing, this is your go-to computer. This is. Yeah. And also you can game on the go. Currently this battery on full charge, I know it's gonna be idling, this will depend, but this has like 5 hours of battery life. I know that's not really gonna get your bank and buck, but you can always turn on power saving mode, which will add probably another 5+ hours. But this concludes the unboxing of the ASUS ROG STRIX G512 i7 2070. If you guys like to see more of these, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, do what you gotta do. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.